Good morning. Today we will discuss the phase and gain margins of the control system. Okay, how you can calculate the phase and gain margin for the system. Phase and gain margin. So let us consider one plot. We already seen the polar plot, and this is the polar plot of open loop transfer function for three different values. This is a -1, this is 0. So this one plot is like this. One plot is crossing -1. Another plot is like this. So this is the polar plot of G of JW for three different values of open loop gain K. So this is gain K. We can say this is a small, okay, where K is the open loop gain, and this is a K is equal to large. So this is the polar plot of G of JW for three different values of open loop gain K. So for large value of gain K, the system is unstable. For large value of gain K, the system is unstable, and as the gain K is decreased to the certain value and the G of JW locus passes through the point -1 plus J0. This is the -1 plus J0. This means that this gain value, the system is on the verge of instability. When your plot crosses through the point -1 plus J0, it means that your system is on the verge of instability, and the system will exhibit sustained oscillations. System will exhibit the sustained oscillation, and for the small value of the gain K, your system is stable. Your system is stable. It means that in general the G of JW locus comes to encircle the -1 plus J0 point. Your system will become more oscillatory, or the response will become more oscillatory, and this closeness of G of JW to the -1 plus J0 point can be used as a measure of margin of stability. So we will discuss how to calculate the phase margin and gain margin. Okay, so let us consider the phase margin. What is phase margin? This is amount of additional phase lag at the gain crossover frequency. At the gain crossover frequency required to bring the system to the verge of instability. So the gain crossover frequency is the frequency at which g of jw, that is magnitude of open loop transfer function, is unity. Okay, so the phase margin gamma we can say gamma is equal to 180 degree plus phi. So what is this? So this phase angle phi is a 180 degree plus phase angle phi of the open loop transfer function at the gain crossover frequency. So for the system to be stable, both the phase margin of the both, that is a phase margin and gain margin, should be positive. Okay, now let us draw the Bode diagram for the stable and unstable system. So I am drawing the Bode diagram. So this is so this is 0 dB line. On this side this is, there is a plus dB, on this side there is a negative dB. So magnitude of G in dB. So this is a log frequency, and therefore your plot is supposed like this. Okay, and this is the minus 90 degree, this is minus 180 degree, and this is a 270 degree. So this is a angle of G. So this is also versus the log omega. Now for stable system, okay, this is the gain crossover frequency. Okay, and your plot is now suppose like this. Okay, so this is your phase margin. We can say it is a positive phase margin, and this is your the phase crossover frequency is this. So from this we can get, and this is the value of positive gain margin. Okay, so if the plot is like this, then your system is said to be stable system. Then your system is said to be stable system. Means for the where the your magnitude plot crosses the 0 dB line, at that point your phase margin should be positive. Means this plot should be above the minus 180 degree line. It means that your system is stable. Now if this plot is below the minus 180 degree line, that means you have the negative phase margin and your system is unstable system. Okay, so we'll again see these plots for the unstable systems. We'll again draw the same. This is the log omega, this is the magnitude of G in dB, 0 dB line, in this side there is plus, then this side there is a negative. So now, and the phase angle curve is like this again. This is minus 90 degree, minus 180 degree, and this is a 270 degree. Okay, so now your plot is like this. your plot is like this, but your this is the gain crossover frequency, this is the gain crossover frequency. So at the gain crossover frequency your plot is like this, suppose. So this is, we can call it as a negative phase margin. Okay, this is a negative phase margin, and now this is a phase plot. So this is a phase or phase crossover frequency. If you draw the line like this, this is your gain margin, but this gain margin is negative gain margin. Okay, so this system, as I told you that when your magnitude crosses the 0 dB line, that will be your the gain crossover frequency. For this plot should be above the minus 180 degree line, but this is not above at this point. This is not above the minus 180 degree line, this is below minus 180 degree line. That means your phase margin is negative, and from the phase crossover frequency your, you can see like this, and your whatever the gain, this magnitude is also having the negative sign. So this will be the unstable system. Such type of the plot is there, then we can call your system is unstable system. Okay, so this stable and unstable system is the for the Bode plot. We can, when we have the such type of the plot, we can conclude that your system is, whether depending upon this prima facie, whether your system is stable or unstable. So in polar plot, the line is drawn from the origin to the point at which the unit circle crosses, and from that we can calculate the whether your system is stable or unstable. For example, suppose like this. This is real part, this is imaginary part, and this is the unit circle. Okay, and suppose your plot is like this, it is crossing like this, and this is a gamma angle, and therefore the magnitude of this is 1 over kg, and this is called as the positive gain, positive gain margin. And if this such type of the plot is there, that means this is for the small value of the k, your system is stable, and this phase margin, this angle is also positive, and this situation we can call it as a positive phase margin. Okay, and this is the curve. Okay, so this is a unit circle, and this is a G plane, and your this such type of the system is, it is a stable system. Okay, so this is the polar plot, and from the polar plot we can calculate the gain margin and phase margin for the stable system. Okay, so in the polar plot, what will be the case when your system is unstable? When your system is unstable, the plot will be like this. So this is unit circle, this magnitude is of unit, and this is -1 point. And for the system to be unstable, that means this plot is having the value of very large k, and this is the g of jw. Okay, so the magnitude can be found from this. This is 1 by kg, and this is your gamma, and this gamma is the negative phase margin. Okay, and this